Hi, I'm Sean with Maneful, and we are making drinks at home. So today we're going to be doing a Tom Collins. A Tom Collins is a gin-based drink. It is gin, lemon juice, simple syrup, and then some club soda. And so the first thing that we're going to do, it's a built cocktail, which means we're going to build it directly into the glass. So we're going to fill our glass with ice. A Tom Collins is usually done in a Collins glass, which is kind of large cylindrical glass. So I'm going to fill this up with ice. Once it's filled with ice, I'm actually going to be building it directly into the glass. So it calls for 1.5 ounces of gin. I'm going to be using Sipsmith, which is a London dry gin, and is really delicious. I recommend trying it sometime. It's 1.5 ounces of Sipsmith. After that, we have 1 ounce of lemon juice. So I have a lemon here and my trusty hand juicer. And I'm just going to juice directly into my jigger here until I measure out 1 ounce. I should definitely be able to get 1 ounce from a single lemon. You usually get about 1 ounce of lemon juice to 1.5 ounces in a single lemon. You okay, bud? All right, I've got my ounce of lemon juice. I'm just gonna pour that directly in. And then it's 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. So simple syrup, I made this at home. It is very easy to make, hence the name simple syrup. It's just equal parts water and sugar. And so I'm gonna put 1/2 ounce of simple syrup in here. And that'll add some nice sweetness to it. And then once I have all of this, I'm just gonna stir it a little bit in the glass. So I'm gonna mix together the gin and the lemon juice and the simple syrup. And now I'm gonna be topping this with club soda. Technically, I do not have any club soda right now, so I'm using sparkling water. The main difference between sparkling water and club soda is that club soda has some mineral salts that are added to it. So it'll be a little bit different flavor, but what I'm going for here really is the fizz. So I'm willing to make that substitution. And considering COVID right now, I'm not going to the store to get some club soda. So here we have it. This is a Tom Collins. If you really want to finish it off, though, you want to garnish it. And so we're going to be garnishing with actually 2 different garnishes. We're going to be doing a maraschino cherry and an orange wheel here. So I'm going to start by cutting this orange wheel. You can just cut an orange in half and then just get a nice wheel here. This is way too big. So I'm just going to do a little wedge here. And then I'm going to take my maraschino cherries as well. So you grab one of these. I grab my spear here and spear it. And then I'm going to take my orange. I'm going to spear it. And I'm going to top it. And so there we go. It's garnished nicely with the orange wedge and the cherry. And now we enjoy. This is incredibly refreshing. The carbonation is really nice. This is a great, hey bud. This is a great drink to have on a hot summer day like today. And so I recommend giving it a try. And if gin is not your thing, you can also try the John Collins, which is a variation of this that's made with bourbon instead. And so if you're interested in making this, obviously you can watch this video tutorial, but we also offer this drink as well as the John Collins in our Fundamental Cocktails recipe card deck. So go ahead and check it out and have a great day. Hey, Meryl. What do you think? Do you like that one?
Oh.